All right team, let's talk EV. Big changes are landing in the electric vehicle space, and if you blink, you just might miss them. Thankfully, I've had 3 coffees and read every government PDF, so you don't have to. So let's break it down. What's changing and what it means for you, and how we at plug-in stations can fit into the picture.
Let's go!
On the 30th of July, the government announced £63 million to boost the UK's EV charging network.
What are you gonna do, Derek? Show me the money!
That's not a typo, that's 63 million quid. The focus? Making charging more accessible for people without driveways. Think flats, terraced homes and shared car parks. Why? Because 40% of UK homes don't have off-street parking. And telling people to just get an EV without solving this problem is pretty unrealistic. So, who's this actually for?
Everyone!
Local authorities. They're being given funds to roll out on-street chargers and neighbourhood hubs. There are incentives for installing shared EV points. And your everyday drivers. You'll soon have more places to plug in, especially if home charging is not an option for you. And if you're managing a building with flats or renting to tenants, there's now up to £3,750 off multi-charge point installations.
Show me the money.
That's per site, not per point. It's called the EV Charge Point Grant for landlords and commercial properties, and yes, it's live right now.
Yes, it is.
So there's not really any excuse not to get started. Now this is where we come in. We help councils, businesses and landlords make the most of these grants. Whether it's site surveys, charger installs, or just making sense of yet another piece of government legislation, we've got it covered. We've worked with everyone from housing associations to local installers, and we do it with less jargon and more common sense.
That's called common sense. That in your tiny mind is not common.
We're not just here to fit chargers, we're here to move the industry forward, one point at a time.
You guys are in a crisis. I'm on my way.
Feel free to contact us on 0203 795 7117. Alternatively, you can send us an email at enquiries@plugin-stations.com.